Learn the use of Bitezuo. Bitezuo means borrow complete or borrow completely as a verb in sentences. We are going to use this verb Bitezuo in our sentences now. Igbo, English. The first sentence is Ugomma gara Bitezuo ego ahụ. Ugomma gara Bitezuo ego ahụ, meaning Ugomma went and borrowed that money complete or completely. Ngwa ka anyị bitezuo nke anyị ugbu a. Ngwa ka anyị bitezuo nke anyị ugbu a, meaning okay, let us borrow our own complete now or completely now. Bitezuo ya. Bitezuo ya, meaning borrow it complete or borrow it completely. You have seen that our verb here is Bitezuo, meaning borrow complete or completely. That is why we underline it both Igbo and in English for easy understanding. We use the same color marker to identify same words for easy understanding. Follow for more. Share our videos.